everyone. So we're back in Walt's train room. I'm just going to do a little quick overlay. They've renovated a little bit since we've been here. They have chairs here and you can play games. It's just like a touch screen. It looks like they're putting a puzzle together. And then you have, this is the main room. And it just has so much awesome memorabilia in here. And pictures of Walt. And I show you this, my Grail pen list, my pen set. I've been wanting so bad. I have not been able to find it. This is a, I believe this is of Disneyland. There's 5. Sorry about the glare, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this big pin right there. That's also a pin also. So and yeah, I'm not. It doesn't say what year. But it is, so they made 500 of those. Alrighty, and then this is very nice and cozy in here. We've come and ate at Geyser Point and brought lunch in here before. And we've never been here at Christmas time. All the wonderful pictures. And there's a little model, but what's really cool is they have a train here that Walt actually that rode on. This is from his yard and where him and Lillian lived. He actually sat on that car right there. I'm not sure. Well, maybe, I'm trying to think. It was part of it. So let's read this. Before the Disneyland Railroad existed, there was the Caribou Pacific. The light is. A miniature 1/8 scale steam railroad Walt Disney designed for his family home in Los Angeles. These originally freight cars, built by the first Disney Imagineer, Roger Broggie, brought great joy to Walt and anyone who visited. Yeah, that's another bucket list. I would love to go to the Carolwood, where they have the trains there. They're only open on Sunday a month, but yep, Caribou Pacific Historic Society must have, they donated. Yeah, so that's just really awesome. There it is. And oh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, see, this is so cool. See, we've never been in the train room at Christmas time. That's really pretty. Look at the pretty bow. It's got trains on it. I gotta have to take a picture of that. And this is a cool painting. And there's a little thing I love taking a picture of when we're around. Where this is of the Caribou Pacific. All right, come on, focus. There we go. So that is Walt's train room. If you ever get a chance, come check it out in the Boulder Ridge wing, the DVC area here at Wilderness Lodge. And they got a fireplace going, and there's a train on the screen. Oh, isn't that pretty? And they got books there on each side of the fireplace. Alrighty.
Show them your elevators.
Oh yes, okay. James reminded me. I have to show you the elevators right outside the room. Where? Oh, wait. Is it way over there? Yeah. All right. And there's the Boulder Ridge's little tree for them. That's a nice little tree. So I'm gonna go show you the elevators they have. They're like engraved on the doors, and it's really, really pretty. So let's see which one. I don't know if you can see it, but can you see the train? Oh, there's a train. And this is on the elevator. Yeah. Alrighty. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing Walt's train room. We'll see you in a bit.